newly arrived, I'd like to very warmly welcome you live to the Unity of Humanity Festival's Art Celebration. The next person who's going to share something with us is our poet laureate, Julie Polisky-Lesh. She will be sharing a prayer and a song, and she will be joined by her daughter Brittany, who will be doing a jingle dance. So before Julie comes up, I would just like to present her with a small token of my gratitude and of my love for my big muscles.
Now, I'm going to start with a prayer that I wrote, I don't know, maybe a few months ago, maybe around in March. And I wanted to write a poem, as I think some of you may have heard, but it's called The Prayer for the Earth Changers. What I wanted to do is to actually take our 7 sacred teachings and put them into our bodies so that we could reach them whenever we needed to. Now, this one, I will start. Give my eyes the teaching of truth so that I can see what is really there in front of me every day. Give my legs the teaching of humility so I know when to stand up and when to sit down. Give my mind the teaching of wisdom so I know with clarity what is right and what is wrong. Give my ears the teaching of honesty so I can hear the truth even when it's hard. Give my soul the teaching of courage so I can be brave and be who I really am. Give my heart the teaching of love so I have a reason to stand up for what is right. Give my toes the teaching of respect. Let me learn that all things must be valued. Without toes, it is very hard for us to walk, so even the smallest of things must have our respect. Give our hands the gift of creation so we can create beautiful things. Give our mouth the gift of strength so we can always say what needs to be said. Give our shoulders the gift of balance so that we do not get burdened down by things we do not need to carry. Give our fingers the gift of connection. Interlocked with another makes us stronger and grounds us to one another. Let these teachings and gifts come into our bodies so we can be true to ourselves and be the change that the world needs right now. Now, first, I'm going to talk about my beautiful daughter, who's standing right here. This is Brittany. Now, what she is wearing right now is a jingle dress. Now, the jingle dress has its own story. Now, I'll quickly tell you a little bit about it. From what I know, long ago, somewhere in around Ontario, there was a grandfather who had a little granddaughter, and that granddaughter got very, very sick. Now, every night he would pray to the Creator to help him to help his granddaughter. And one day he had a dream. He had a dream about a beautiful dress, and it was covered with these jingles. And so he knew that every night he would sit down and he would create one of these beautiful jingles, and he would sew it onto that dress. And every night that he did that, he would pray. He would give prayers of health and happiness and courage, and he would put those each day into that jingle on that dress. After 375 days of praying and hoping, his granddaughter was well enough to get up and dance in her jingle dress. Now this dress has become a dress of healing and a dress of courage and a dress of strength. So if you are at a powwow or a Maui or a gathering, all you have to do is go up to a jingle dress dancer and offer her a small gift of tobacco, and when she dances, she will pray for your prayer that you gave her in your tobacco. And when she dances, those jingles will sound right up into the heavens, and the Creator will hear your prayers, and hopefully they will be answered as well. So when you see a jingle dress dancer, just know that they are a dress of healing. Now I'm going to sing a song so that we can get Brittany to come and dance for us. Now this song is called The Strong Strong Woman song. Now this song was written in about 1970 by a group of Indigenous and non-Indigenous women who were actually being confined in solitary confinement in Kingston, Ontario, in the penitentiary. Now, the conditions that they lived in back then were such that it was very, very difficult for people to come out mentally able to live on the outside. But these women would tap the bars and they created a beat, and over time they added a chant, and that chant became another song of healing and strength. So in my opinion, these two things have to be combined once in a while, because it is a dress of healing and strength, and it is a song of healing and strength. Now this song is called the Strong Woman Song.